Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a video using Runway in 2025. Runway is one of the most popular AI tools for generating and editing videos. The process is easier than ever this year. First, open the Runway website in your browser or the Runway app on your computer or phone. Make sure you're logged in to your account. From the dashboard, click on Create New Project. This will open the editor, where you can start building your video now. Choose the tool you want to work with. If you want to generate a video from text, select text to video. Simply type your description, for example. It's a futuristic city with flying cars at sunset, and then set your video length and style. Runway will create a preview for you. If you already have footage, you can use video editing tools like remove background, add effects, or motion brush to enhance your clips. Runway also supports image to video, where you upload an image and it animates it into a moving scene. Once you're happy with the result, click Export in the top right corner. You'll be able to choose the quality format and resolution like 1080p or 4K. After processing, download the final video to your device, and that's it. That's how you create a video with Runway in 2025, whether you're starting from text, images, or editing existing clips. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to check back again.